The first time I went to Israel, my husband, for our 25th anniversary, arranged a trip, and we had never been. And but my kids had been. All my kids I sent, and so we went. And the story I tell is that when we got to the hotel, my husband said, "I'm exhausted. I'm going to take a nap." And I said, "You're crazy. I'm in Israel. I am not napping, and neither are you." And I dragged him out. We were in Tel Aviv. And we walked up and down Dizengoff Street, and my eyes were seeing all the Hebrew and everything. It was amazing. And finally, I couldn't walk anymore, and I said, "I need a cold drink." So we sat down. And when I sat down, the only way I can describe it is, did you ever see, if you're in the house or at a party and the music is blasting and you're not really paying attention, but you feel yourself keeping up with that kind of rhythm? And I sat down, and it was quiet on Dizengoff Street, and all of a sudden I felt like somebody shut off the radio, and then when you hear the silence, you go, oh, you don't even know that you feel that wound up until they shut the radio. Well, when I sat down on Dizengoff Street, I immediately felt like somebody shut something, and I was at peace. I was just, and I started to cry. And I said, I didn't know that I wasn't at peace. I didn't know until I came here. That's it. When I got back and I came to the airport and had to check in, they looked at my passport, and the woman said, "Oh, you were in Israel. I bet you're glad to be home." And I said, "No, I was home." I said, "Now I'm just back."